Are you drowning in spreadsheets? This video is about how Google AppSheet saved my small business and my sanity, moving us from crumpled clipboards to mobile efficiency. It's a guide for the non-technical founder. In the small business reality, we wear too many hats, often becoming the keeper of the crumpled clipboards. Operations frequently run on chaotic paper forms and mental notes. We often fall into the spreadsheet trap, relying on files with names like inventory_final_V3_realone, XLSX. The pain of double data entry and losing critical notes is real. Spreadsheets work until they don't. Big companies afford custom software, but small businesses don't have a $50,000 development budget. My goal was to track jobs and inventory on a phone, but fighting tiny spreadsheet screens was the obstacle. That's when I discovered Google AppSheet. It is often ignored, but it's included in Google Workspace. It's a no-code development platform and a life raft for drowning admins, eliminating the need for an expensive developer. What is no-code? For regular people, it means no computer science degree is needed. If you can use Excel or Sheets, you can build an app. AppSheet reads your data and builds the interface for you without writing lines of code. AppSheet works by taking static rows and columns and transforming them into clickable contact lists and forms. It works instantly on iPhone, Android, or web. Your data stays in the Google Sheet, but the interface changes completely. The old way, the clipboard of doom, involved writing notes in the field, often leading to smudges and bad handwriting. Then, you'd drive back to the office to type it up, wasting hours on administrative redundancy. The new way is the AppSheet workflow. You simply tap the client's name, enter notes directly into the app, and snap a photo of equipment, which is auto-attached. Hit Save for instant sync to the master sheet. Small businesses win with AppSheet due to mobility, accuracy, and cost. You get professional mobile entry and prototypes built quickly and for free. Drop-downs prevent typos, eliminating mistakes like $5 bananas. Is there a learning curve? Yes, but it's manageable. You need clean data with neat headers. Start simple. Don't build an ERP on day one. You can use Google's built-in sample apps to get started. The verdict is that AppSheet bridges the gap between paper and enterprise software, providing efficiency tools previously reserved for big players. Stop the clipboard shuffle. Imagine your spreadsheets as an app. It's easier than you think.